Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous video, we were using the plot method to create scatter plots. But there's a specialized and more powerful method to do that. In this video, we're gonna be using it. Let's have a look at the example from the previous video first. So we have our imports, x values, y values, assign function here, and we are using circle markers. So we get something like this. Scatter plot with circles. Now let's use the scatter method instead of the plot method. Here we must explicitly specify what the third argument is, so marker equals circle. And we get this, exactly the same. You can also use other markers, like for example square. S stands for square. And we get this. Unlike the plot method, scatter lets us control each point individually. So how to get this code? Here's how we can control the sizes of the points. Let's define a list of sizes from smallest to greatest using a list comprehension. So sizes equals a list comprehension, I for I in range 40. So we're gonna create 40 sizes from smallest to largest. And now let's use the sizes to plot the function. So here's our scatter method, and we use x, y, and s equals sizes. So assign this list to s, to the size, and we're gonna get a scatter plot like this, where each individual point is different as far as size is concerned, from smallest to largest. Here's another example. This time, let's randomize the sizes. This code will produce a different output each time you execute it. So sizes, another list comprehension, but this time using a random value. And here's our scatter method, where sizes is assigned to s. Now the marker is this less than sign, which corresponds to triangles pointing to the left. And we get this. We can also control the colors of the markers. Let's create a list of colors and use it in the scatter method. Here we're using 4 colors: blue, red, green, yellow. As there are 40 points, we multiply the list by 10 to repeat its elements 10 times. 10 times these 4 elements. That's getting 40 elements altogether. Now we're using the scatter method and we assign colors to C, which stands for color. And we get this. Blue, red, green, yellow. Blue, red, green, yellow, and so on. Here's an example with random colors. So this code will produce a different output each time you execute it. So the colors are randomized, and now we get something like this. Maybe different if you run the code, of course. You can also set the alpha value. Here the points are pretty big, so you can watch them overlap. Now marker, circle, size 1000, which will make them quite big, and alpha 0.5, which means they're semi-transparent. And now the output is here. Some of the circles are overlapping. So as you can see, we can create scatter plots with the plot or with the scatter method. Now, if you can achieve your goal with the plot method, you should choose it over scatter because it's more efficient. It's especially important for large data sets. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.